Rebalancing, there's several ways you rebalance. And don't think of it as coins. I think of it as your portfolio allocation. So I have sectors in my portfolio. I have store of value as a sector. That's Bitcoin. And that could be, 25, 30%, right? So that's a sector. And of my $10, that's going to represent $250 to $3 would be Bitcoin of my $10 portfolio. Okay. I believe that smart contract platforms, layer ones, should represent no less than 50%, maybe a little higher, maybe 50 to 60 of that portfolio. So $5 to $6 is going to be smart contract layer one exposure. I believe 10% up to 15%, that's me, I'm on the riskier side, should represent AI exposure, specifically artificial intelligence, the march towards generally intelligent entities. Yeah, entities sounds creepy. Software, self-fixing, self-replicating. That way you have nature versus nurture versus self-evolution and kind of like rewriting your own code. That is incredibly important and maybe scary. And I think you want to be invested in it. So, and real quick, that would represent, I'm not telling you what to buy. I'm just saying what would make up that basket would be Fetch, Singularity DAO, AGIX, NewNet, and their verticals as they launch them. Okay, so I think you should have 5 to 10%, up 50 cents to $1 in stablecoin. Yes, stablecoin, but not Tether, not yet. Tether is a Ponzi scheme still, but it won't be. It will be capitalized. USDC, in my opinion, is the safest. USDC. So when I rebalance, I look and see if those portfolios, if any of the sectors are bloated too much. And I might say, okay, I got to trim the sector down a little bit, right? Maybe the whole thing went from $10 to $20, but maybe Bitcoin, it doesn't represent 30% anymore. Maybe it's like 10%. I say, oh, okay. I need to add back to that portion of my portfolio, that sector, to get it back into balance. Now, then you go to the individual assets, and on those assets, some of them will have bloated or contracted more than the others, more than their peers. And so that's where either new money or staking rewards would go to rebalance inside the sector. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that's a way to look at it.